First of all, we will discuss the techniques of this confusing question. Read this question carefully many times if required. Question: a man walked for some distance at 8 km per hour and for an equal distance at 5 km per hour. The total time he took was 3 and 1/4 hours. Find the total distance he walked. Focus. Distance is equal. Speeds are different. So total time. So what is the core part of this question? This is only given data. I am underlining. And the time is given. So according to me, the total time he took was 3 and 1/4 hours is the core part of this question. This will help us to merge the given data for the finding out the total distance. Okay. So first of all, I collect the data. Speed 1, 8 kilometers per hour. Speed 2, 5 kilometers per hour. Distance is equal. Okay. Total time C and 1/4 hours. Okay. So when I recall my previous knowledge, I have only a single relation between distance, speed and time. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. See that all the data is given, distance, speed and time. It must be given. So the total time, it's mean some time takes for 8 km per hour to cover the distance and 5 km per hour the second time to take for that distance. So if the distance is equal, then we can hide the distance. Okay. For distance 1, now solve this question. Distance 1, what is the formula? Distance 1 is equal to speed 1 into time 1. Okay. Right? So speed is 8 km per hour and time 1. Same for distance 2, d2 is equal to s2 t2. So distance is equal and s2 is 5 and t2. So distance 1 is equal to distance 2. We can skip the distance by this. So distance 1 is 8t1 and distance 2 is 5t2. Okay, so we can find out the value t1 or t2. Why? Because we cannot find out two variables at a time. Okay, so t2 is equal to 8 upon 5t1. Okay, so what is the total distance or total time? t1 plus t2 is equal to 3 and 1 upon 4. So what is t1? t1 is t1 plus 8 upon 5 t1 is equal to 13 upon 4. Okay, now we will take LCM. 5 is LCM and in the numerator 5 1 plus 8 t1 is equal to 13 upon 4. So now we will cross multiply. t1 upon 5 is equal to 13 upon 4. Now cross multiply. 4 into 13 t1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 13. Okay, I'm not multiplying yet because I know 4 and 13 will divide. t1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 13, being smart, understand? So 13 will cancel and t1 is equal to 5 upon 4. So time t1 is equal to 5 upon 4. So we know that t2 is equal to 8 upon 5 t1. So what is t1? Multiply by 5 upon 4. 5 will cancel and 2. So t2 is equal to 2 hours. So it is required or not, it's up to you. d1 is equal to s1 t1. So what is s1? S1 is 8 and multiply by 5 upon 4. Okay, so distance 1 is equal to 10 kilometers. So both distances are, because d1 is equal 10 kilometer, then obviously distance 2 will be 10 kilometers, and both distances are 20 kilometer. So I think this is unnecessary data. We don't need this. Okay, so this is the required answer. Please subscribe this channel, comment, share and like this video. Thank you so much.